Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the fuse for the left HID headlamp, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located in that video today. Now, we will explain why it's super important to test the fuses, and we'll explain what else could go wrong, so make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So what we need to do guys, in order to get to the fuse, it's actually located under the hood. So step number one, we're going to need to open the hood on that Dodge Challenger. So we come right here and we're going to just go ahead and open the hood, right? Usually that will be mounted right here, but the car has been in a little bit of an accident that we're here, okay, working on it now. So we're going to go ahead, open the hood, and I want to show you what we have here specifically guys. This is, okay, let me get something, okay, to show you with. This is the fuse box that we have right here. That fuse box guys, in order to open it, you have one clip here, one there, you squish towards each other, you pull it up, and we can leave it on the side. Now, if you pay attention here guys, okay, we're going to have somebody install the wrong size fuses, the wrong size, but I will not recommend to do that. If you pay attention, fuse number 15, which is right here, this is the second fuse from right to left, okay, right there. That fuse guys is the one for the left HID headlamp, okay, fuse number 15. Now I recommend to always use the correct size of fuses. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy replacement fuses for a really good price and quick shipping. Check them out. It's a fraction of the price what you will pay at the parts store. Next, we have a video that explains about the relays guys as well, if you need help with that. But something else guys, always check the fuses and test them, don't just look at them. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test the fuse, because if you don't test them, you assume it's good, you will spend quite a bit of time and money fixing a problem when all you had to do is test the fuse. And we'll put the link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test the fuse and a relay in just a few seconds. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.